Installing Bold BI is a straightforward process that allows you to harness the power of business intelligence for your organization. Whether you're looking to visualize your data, create interactive dashboards, or generate insightful reports, Bold BI offers a robust platform to meet your needs. This guide will walk you through the installation process step by step, ensuring you set up the software correctly and efficiently. Let's get started. Go to the Bold BI homepage. Click Login and verify your login account. You will be directed to the free tier page. Here you can explore the features of Bold BI Server without installing or setting up any apps on your system. Go to the View account. On my dashboard page, click the Downloads icon in Downloads. On the Bold BI account download page, select the file type. Download the dashboard server. For this demo, I'm downloading the application for Windows installation. Once downloaded, install the application on your machine. Then, enable the license terms and conditions. The installation settings dialog opens. Here you can change the installation and deployment location, configure the application as a sub-application, change the port number, site name, and additional settings. Next, you can deploy the Chromium packages to enable image and PDF export functionalities in dashboards, widgets, and schedules from Bold BI. Enable the checkbox. Next, you can deploy the Bold Data Hub, which loads data from multiple sources into the data store database, supports SQL scripts, and allows regular job scheduling. Next, you can consent to deploy client libraries, which enable you to connect with data from Oracle, PostgreSQL, MySQL, Snowflake, and MongoDB. Lastly, click Install to extract the required packages and install the dashboard server. Once installation is done, launch the application. This will open the Bold BI dashboard server in the default browser with the port number you added during installation. Here you'll need to create an administrator for the dashboard server by providing the required details in the fields. Next, choose your suitable database configuration for Bold BI sites. The Shared Sites database allows all tenants to share a single database with data logically separated using unique identifiers. A Separate Sites database allows each tenant to have its own dedicated database, ensuring data isolation. And configure the database server connection. Simple Mode allows you to store the user identities, site details, dashboards, data store, and users, along with their access permissions, in a single database. Advanced Mode allows you to choose between the local file system and Azure Blob Storage for the Bold ID and Bold BI databases. In this example, I use Simple Mode. Then select Next. The dashboard tenant deployment has started and runs in the background. After the deployment is completed, activate your subscription by logging in or uploading the offline key. In this example, I click Login to activate my account. If you have multiple licenses, it will then ask you to select the license. If you have only one license, then this process will be skipped. Thereafter, you can manage the account or create a dashboard. On the dashboard page, sample dashboards already integrated into the dashboard server will be added. You can click to view and interact with the dashboard. In this video, I've walked you through a step-by-step guide to installing Bold BI. To learn more, visit boldbi.com, where you can start a 30-day free trial or schedule a demo with an expert. Click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.